Alright, this is week 4, problem 2, insertion short, and this is my code here. Perfectly 50 lines. And so it's split up into 3 parts, and that is the initial setup that creates a list of 20 or just user inserted numbers, and by asking a prompt to say if they want to insert their own numbers or have randomly inserted numbers for the sorting. Then we have the actual sorting mechanism itself and the mean and median and printing out all the lists and stuff. The actual sorting mechanism is pretty simple. We start off by taking an initial piece from the list just so that we can start to insert. And so we loop it through the entire list, and we take something from back. We take the first part of the list that we need to sort, and we put it at the end of our sorted list, and then we remove the moved piece. And then going down the entire sorted list, we see if we need to switch the new piece and the old piece. We would just go down the entire list until we hit the until we hit our place for the new piece to be put in. And so this, I think, the sorting mechanism works pretty well. It was a little confusing. Some of the parts. The mean and median is something that I've gotten pretty accustomed to, and the sorting mechanism was a little finicky. Some of the for loops, I had to figure out how long I wanted them to run, but it wasn't too bad. I think did pretty well, and this means after doing this sorting mechanism, it's a pretty efficient one, I would say, at least compared to the bubble sort, and it means I can now better understand some of the more efficient sorting mechanisms so that in the future, if I need to, I can properly sort, I reckon. Yeah, that's our reflection for week 4, problem 2, insertion short.